Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to reset forgotten password on any Samsung phone. Now there is only one method to reset the forgotten password on your Samsung phone. You will have to factory reset your smartphone. Now with this method, all the data on your smartphone will be deleted. Now to do that, first of all, just use the charging cable of your smartphone and connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Let's connect one end of our charging cable to our smartphone, just like that. Now after that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now just keep pressing the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. After that, just release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button with the power button at the same time. Now as you can see, we have entered to the recovery mode. Now from here, just press the volume down button and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now once you select Wipe Data and Factory Reset, just press the power button to confirm Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now just press the volume down button and select Factory Data Reset. Now from here, just press the power button to confirm Factory Data Reset. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now after you have wiped all the data on your smartphone, just press the power button and confirm Reboot System Now. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to reboot and to wipe all the data on your smartphone, including the lock screen password. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Now from here, just tap on the drop down arrow and select your language. Just tap on OK. From here, just tap on Start. Now just select Agree to All and tap on Agree. Now from here, just tap on Setup Manually. Now just tap on OK. Now from here, just enter your Wi-Fi password. Now from here, just tap on Use My Google account instead. Now from here, just enter your email address. Just tap on Next. Now from here, just enter the password of your Gmail address. Just tap on Next. Now from here, just enter your email address one more time. Just tap on Next. Now from here, just enter the password of your email address. Just tap on Next. Now from here, tap on I agree and tap on Next. From here, just tap on Skip. Now just tap on Skip Anyway. From here, tap on More and tap on Accept. Now from here, you can back up your data. I will skip this step. Now from here, just tap on Don't Back Up. From here, tap on Continue and tap on Turn On. Now from here, you can sign into your Samsung account, or you can select Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Now from here, just tap on Set Up Later in Settings. Now from here, just tap on Skip. Now from here, select All Options and select Agree. Now just tap on More and tap on Agree. Now from here, just select your display mode. Just tap on Next. Now from here, just tap on Home. Now just tap on Allow. From here, tap on Done and tap on Continue. Now from here, tap on Install. Now just tap on Finish. Now as you can see, this is how you can reset forgotten password on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.